refresh your flow scanners because the whales have arrived. It is May 14th and big money just walked into the market like they own the place because, well, let's be honest, they kind of do. They're the market makers. We yield to their wants and needs and get liquidated by them on a consistent basis. Unless you're using Investor Central Club, you could avoid that. But today we're decoding some of the wildest and weirdest options activity you'll see this week. If you YOLO Tesla calls, congrats, you're not alone. The smart money just dropped 7 figures, 7, count them, figures on a position, but don't worry, we're going to get to that right about now. Let's start with the elephant, or should I say the Cybertruck in the room. The Tesla 380 call expiring August 15th. Someone just dumped $107.92 million into this at the $31.95 average. The spot price was $343.21, and that's a premium heavy bet on upside. What does this tell us? A whale, hedge fund, institution, maybe Elon's burner account is betting on Tesla rocketing another 10+% before mid-August. But wait, there's more. Nvidia saw 3 massive call buys this morning, 150 and 180 strikes for June and December, 7 million, 6.2 million, and more rolling in throughout the day. Volume at each strike outpaced open interest, which is equaling and showing that these are some fresh entries. The translation, they're not rolling, they're initiating new bets. And that December 180, that's a long-ass dated bet that screams upside conviction. Oh, and look who else decided to poke their ugly little head in today. We had ARM, A-R-M, 4 repeat swings for the 155 calls expiring September 19th, all in the 700K range. These weren't quiet entries. They were aggressive back-to-back sweeps. It's like someone's trying to beat the algos to the punch. When you see clustering like this, it's not retail. I can assure you that. And don't think it's all sunshine, rainbows, and IV spikes, because I can assure you it is most definitely not that. Some big red flags came in too. We had Tesla 280s come in with 2.93 dropped on the 1/16/2026 expiration. We had Reddit $85 puts, and we had QQQ 500 puts. That Tesla put order, yeah, that's for January 2026, by the way. That's either a deep hedge or a bold bet that Elon's next live stream is from Mars. Now, Microsoft, we had classic institutional sweep play at the 485 strike. We saw 4 identical entries at 9:30 a.m., all at the money, all tight spread, clear setup for earnings or a macro pop. Frog, yes, Frog, F-R-O-G. A $55 call got 2,000 contracts. That's just some total YOLO energy there. And Rocket Lab is coming in hot with a 33.79% expected move. That's not a typo. 800 plus contracts at the $31 strike. That's the heat check for today's options tape. Tesla's the favorite of Wall Street. Nvidia can't miss, and ARM might be next up. As always, follow the flow, but don't drown in it. And make sure you watch my videos because I help decode all this stuff so you don't have to. Don't be an idiot. Smash that like button. Drop your favorite trade in the comments. And don't forget, subscribe. Go ahead. Please, just hit the subscribe button already. Because you'll get a nice little daily dose of market analysis each day. But other than that, stay sharp and stay spicy, my friends. I'll see you for our daily market recap.